You're watching CBS 2 News in high definition.
A permanent solution to excessive underarm sweating. It's not surgery, it's not Botox, it's a laser. I'm Dr. Max Gomez. I'll have that story coming up.
And later, underarm sweat can be embarrassing, not to mention even uncomfortable. Well, now there is a breakthrough way to stop the sweat, and it's with lasers. We'll tell you about it. As the weather starts to warm up, it won't be long before we're all sweating in that summer heat.
But for some people, sweat and a whole lot of it is a year-round problem, leading them to search for extreme solutions. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez here to tell us about a safe and permanent solution to excessive sweating. It has to do with a laser, Doc.
That's right, Maurice. Christine, you know, what we're talking about here is not your run-of-the-mill sweating. It's called hyperhidrosis. That's a fancy medical term for copious, uncontrollable sweating, usually from the armpits, palms, and soles of the feet. Treatments so far haven't been great, but now there may just be a permanent solution. It happens to most of us at some point. It gets hot or we're overdressed, and pretty soon, embarrassing underarm sweat stains. Trouble is, some folks get them in air conditioning in the winter all the time.
I wouldn't even be working out or being nervous or anything, but anything that's just tighter under my armpits, or I could just feel sweat just dripping constantly.
Janine Rose has suffered with the embarrassing problem for more than 25 years.
I learned how to put tissues under my armpits in order to stop the sweat rings.
The number of people with this problem, called hyperhidrosis, varies widely, but it's likely millions. And after certain medical conditions are ruled out, the cause is mysterious.
We believe it's just some extra stimulation of certain nerves, but we really don't know why it is.
But today, Rose is going to have her sweating cured permanently. The first step, though, is to do a sweat test to map out the overactive sweat glands. The darkness illustrates what?
The area where the sweating is greatest.
Then comes the anesthesia. It's a local technique borrowed from liposuction. The armpit is infused with a dilute lidocaine and adrenaline solution that also prevents bruising. Now comes the important part, the laser.
The wavelength that this laser uses targets the sweat glands exquisitely.
Dr. Chasin runs the laser under the skin, and since the wavelength is absorbed almost exclusively by the sweat glands, they're heated and destroyed without damaging other tissue. Then a thin liposuction tube sucks out some of the debris, and within 20 minutes, it's all over. Pain? What was it like?
Zero. Nothing.
No pain?
Nothing. Waxing is harder.
And by tomorrow morning, Janine will wake up dry, and as an added bonus, the laser also zaps a lot of the hair follicles, so women often end up not needing to shave. Cost is about $3,000, but it is permanent, and they're even going to try and see if it'll work on the palms or the soles of the feet, but so far just underarms.
Is this only for people with excessive sweat, or does anybody go into this procedure?
You could do it for anybody, but it seems a little excessive for if you're just, run-of-the-mill sweaty.
All right, Dr. Max Gomez, thank you.
Up close and personal once again, Doc. Thank you very much.